In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a password-protected Dropbox with Message. To get started, open your browser and go to Dropbox by searching for it online. From the search results, click on the official Dropbox website to make sure you're accessing the correct platform. Once the site opens, sign in if needed and head to your Dropbox homepage where your files and folders are stored. From here, select the folder you want to share. This is the folder you'll be protecting with a password, so make sure you choose the correct one before moving on. After selecting it, click on the Share option. This opens the sharing panel where you can control how other people will access your folder. Next, click on Sharing Settings. This is where Dropbox gives you more control over the type of link you want to create and what permissions you want people to have. You'll typically see two options here, a link for editing and a link for viewing. The editing link allows someone to make changes to the contents, while the viewing link lets them open and see the folder without changing anything. Choose the option that matches how you want to share the folder. After that, click on Create Link. Once the link has been created, you can turn on password protection, enable the password option, then enter the password you want to use. Choose something secure but also something you can share easily with the intended recipient. When you're done, save your changes so the protection is applied to the shared link. Now that the folder is protected, the next part is adding a message. Click on Share again. In the message box, type the note you want to send along with the folder. This could be a short instruction, a quick explanation of what's inside, or any context the recipient should know before opening it. If you plan to include the password in your message, be aware that it's more secure to send the password separately through another method when possible. Finally, you can either send the folder directly by email from Dropbox or copy the link and share it manually wherever you need. That's all it takes to create a password-protected Dropbox folder and include a message with it. As a quick tip, always double-check your sharing settings before sending the link, especially whether you selected viewing or editing access. That small detail can make a big difference in how your files are handled.